Hey guys, so welcome back to a new video. Today we are talking about one of the best update from Google. Guys, whenever you want to find someone, you can search by his number, and also if you are on the Facebook or Instagram or Twitter, anywhere, you can search someone by his name. But today, I am giving you one of the best update. Now you can search anyone by his not name, not number. You can search any person by his profile picture, by his any random picture or profile, whichever you have. So if you want interested to search profiles, IDs, names, or find out the information regarding that picture, you can search. So first of all, I request all of you to subscribe, hit the bell icon, then click on the Google tools. After here, choose Google. Alright, then here you can see a picture gallery icon with a search button. Click here, then you can choose a picture about which information you want to know. For example, here I choose a image. Regarding that, I want to know where it was uploaded and the information regarding that picture. So wait a moment, I choose a picture from here. Now guys, look, I am choosing this picture and I want to know about this picture. Alright, I just selected that one and Google find out the picture and from Facebook, and all the results are available regarding that picture on Google. So you can search any picture and now and find out all the information regarding that picture, and also find out his profile or now his name. So this is one of the best update and best tool of Google. I hope this tutorial helped you, so don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye, best of luck.